Welcome to Real Food Tales. My name is Kim, and today I'm at the Dennis Center for Active Living. Oats are really good for you. They have vitamins and minerals. They have a low glycemic index. They have protein. I'm preparing the dates for Oatmeal Date Bars. I'm just cutting them into smaller chunks. These are pitted dates, no pits. That's about a cup. A cup and a half of flour. So I mix the whole wheat flour and brown rice flour together. We'll add our flour mixture a little bit at a time. This is an easy recipe. The only thing left is the dates and the oats. I'm just gonna put them in there, mix that around a little bit. I'm going to press the bars into the pan. Yeah, we're gonna put it in a 325 convection oven. Easy to make, quick, relatively delicious. Good for you.
And they're gluten-free?
No. You can. I use brown, white, and whole wheat flour, but if you took all brown rice flour, it would be gluten-free. And it's not bad. You know, don't, if you turn up your nose, you have to try it first.
Really coming in, I'll have to make things better.
Oh, thank you. I'm doing food demonstrations, and my mission is to educate people on eating real food, less sugar and less ultra-processed foods. One little tiny 7.5 ounce Coke, it has 25 grams of sugar, and that's all you get for the day.
What about a chocolate?
Well, it depends. If you're eating 70% cocoa, dark chocolate, it's good for you. It's an antioxidant. If you're doing milk sugar, milk chocolate and all that, they're sugar.
Dark chocolate better anyway.
Stick with the
But
dark.
I'm one of these people. After I have a meal,
You have to have sugar.
I have to have something sweet. Just
You are not one of these people. You are one of many. We crave sugar. So I went off sugar for my health, and it was hard. It's not easy. And I would just stuff my face with fruit. I would eat natural sugar, banana, strawberry. It has some sugars in it. It's not totally void of sugar. 7 grams in a tablespoon of sugar. However, it's a low glycemic index. Thank you for joining me. Again, my name is Kim from Real Food Tales, and I'm at the Dennis Center for Active Living today, making oatmeal date bars that are whole wheat flour, brown rice flour, and coconut sugar in there with the oats and vanilla and eggs. So have a great day. Thank you for joining me. Would you like to come try my oat date bars? They are. So,
Thank you.
napkin. You got napkins? You got. I see the cake there too. You want 2 bars and put the cake back?
No, I bring that home for my husband.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.